Do you want your own personal study coach, one that explains anything you don't understand, helps you review, and even creates tests for you? Well, the best part is, you can build one in just a few minutes, using AI. Welcome back to AI Study Lab, where we learn how to study smarter with artificial intelligence. Today, I'll show you how to create your own AI study coach using Perplexity AI. It's super easy, and once you set it up, it'll feel like you're chatting with your personal tutor, available 24/7. Step 1. Go to Perplexity AI. The first step is simple. Go to perplexity.ai. This is one of the most powerful AI tools right now. It's free, fast, and connected to the internet, which means it can find the latest and most accurate information about any topic you're studying. Once you're inside, click on Spaces in the left menu. Think of a space as your own custom chat, a place where you can train your AI to think and act exactly how you want. Step 2. Create a new space. Click Create Space and give it a name, something like My Study Coach or AI Study Assistant. This is where the magic happens. In this space, you'll tell the AI how to behave, what tone to use, and what kind of help you want. Basically, you're building your own virtual tutor. Step 3. Write the instructions. In the Instructions section, you'll describe how your study coach should act. Here's an example you can use. You are my AI study coach. Explain topics clearly and simply. Create summaries, examples, and short tests so I can check my understanding. Always keep your answers short, clear, and motivating. These instructions tell the AI exactly how to talk to you. It's like programming your own personal teacher that fits your learning style. Step 4. Start chatting with your coach. Once you've saved your space, you can start chatting with your new study coach anytime. Just type what you're studying, for example. I'm studying the human brain. Explain it like I'm 15 and give me a short test. The AI will explain the topic, summarize it, and create questions for you to practice instantly. It's like having a tutor who never gets tired, never judges you, and always adapts to how you learn best. And that's it. You've just built your own AI study coach, personalized to help you study smarter, save time, and actually understand what you're learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to AI Study Lab and share it with your friends, so they can create their own study coach too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.